Jeffer Sapper.
I'm just going to do a quick video on the storage I'm using on this bike. I'm riding my bike. I saw a video from infamous biker looking to get some sort of storage on the back of his bike. So I thought I'll just do a quick video. This is a soft luggage. It's Ventura, and it's quite spacious. You can fit quite a bit of stuff in there, and the only problem is you need to have this rack basically put on, and I actually bought the bike like this with the rack on. I just tie these little things down. Come on. So just I don't think it would come off, but just tie it there just in case. And then the whole thing just comes off the top, and then you're left with your framework. Now there's two little screws there, one there, oh there's actually three, sorry, and one there, and then you could take this whole frame off if you wanted to take it off, but this holds quite a bit. And yeah, there's quite a bit of storage compartments. There's another zip there, you can put stuff in there. This is quite big. Just open this. And there's got a jacket, got a pair of pants in there. Jacket, and my liners, so you can fit quite a bit of stuff in there. And then yeah, if you were out and about, you could probably, I've actually put this on my back as like a little backpack, so you can use it as you can just strap it onto your back. But anyway, I just thought I'd do that quick video. See what you think. Cheers.